Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2019 BMW X5 xDrive40i. So 2019 was the first model year of this generation, outgoing generation of the X5, which is pretty interesting. This vehicle has a 335 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So this generation of the X5, when it first came out, the back end of the car was very polarizing, even for me, but over time it grew on me, and overall this is a really good X5. Now this one's a nice one. It's not an M Sport or anything, but it has a really nice cognac interior, panoramic sunroof. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you have the great BMW iDrive 7. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, heated steering wheel, and you also have heated seats in this car. Reverse camera with 360 view. And I like the little detail, as even though since the car is blue, the picture of the car on the camera is blue. Pretty good center console storage. And you also have a wireless charging tray over there. And cup holders are pretty spacious as well. But let's walk around this car and see what it looks like. I don't know the exact color name of this color actually. It's a pretty nice blue. It might be Mediterranean blue. Actually no, Mediterranean blue is a little darker. I actually cannot figure out, or maybe it's Phytonic blue. It's either Mediterranean or Phytonic. It's probably Phytonic blue. And you have the LED lights. This one does not have the lasers. And here are the rear seats. You also have USB charging ports on the seat backs, which is nice. You also have heated rear seats, so that's cool. So this, I believe this one has climate package based off of that. xDrive40i badge on the back. So the F15 X5, that was the generation before this, had a much more aggressive rear end. So that's why whenever this came out, it was kind of a little bit polarizing. But yeah, and I like this little bench piece right here. You can use it to like tailgate, hang out on the back of your car, or you can also use it to load in groceries. And I like how it's a powered thing. Looks pretty good. Let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. And here's the key fob. Very nice acceleration, puts down power really well. Typical X5. All X5s are really nice to drive. Look how fast the transmission shifts. Very nice. Very smooth ride overall. Feels great. And I really do like this blue with the cognac interior color combo. It's very tasteful. Whenever like some blues don't match with the brown interior, but this one definitely does. Whenever it's done well, it looks great. And then in your iDrive, you can go to driving information, see your trip data, sports displays, X view. Interesting. You want to go off-roading this thing, I guess. Sport displays will show you your horsepower and torque. Vehicle status. And then you can go to like your CarPlay or Android. I don't know if this has Android Auto actually, but it should. But it definitely does have Apple CarPlay. Hit map, and you can see your built-in navigation. And I have many videos on this generation of the X5 if you want to check those out on my channel. It's a great car. But overall, nice car right here. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice BMW X5s like this one.